Hi everyone, welcome to Wisteria Hill Technologies video mini-series episode 4. Now we are going to get started with Anna's new website. We're gonna start from a little brainstorming to some wireframing. Wireframing is like sketches of new website pages, so we can plan the structure of the new website, and then this way we can plan out things. So yeah, anyway, let's get started. So using this xcalidraw.com note-taking sketch app, I've written down some information about the new website, objectives of this website, target visitors, etc., and then brainstorming. So let's have a quick look at it. So the objectives of this new website for Anna is number 1, to showcase and publicize Anna's art. Number 2, sell Anna's art. So very simple but clear objectives for the website. And then target visitors are art buyers, art dealers, art collectors, art enthusiasts, and the general public. We want to delight with Anna's art. And the theme for this website is online art gallery. So we want to make the website, it's like art gallery, and that classy, vivid, but accessible. And Technoloiges used. We use Next.js and Director CMS. So the Next.js is mainly for user interface, how it looks, how the design of the website, for the great performance and design flexibility. And then Director CMS is the content management system and database where we can create a database for the website for managing content and its flexibility to grow the system. So if we go to the Next.js website, you can see what other companies are actually using, like Sonos, Nike, OpenAI, ChatGPT, Cloud, Spotify, Netflix, job website, Zapier, and so on. So this Next.js framework, front end and also back end to some extent, this is very popular and very fast, very efficient framework. And then for the backend, for content management, we use directors. So directors, you can build anything for data. So the backend to build anything or everything. Yeah, so it's a bit like the backend for WordPress, for example. If a lot of people using WordPress, but it's this directors. It's much more modern, much more flexible, and really good. So I really highly recommend. So we use this. So quickly let's have a look at this one. So this is the admin. So I spin up directors for Anna's website. So I spinned up, and you can sign in and you can start building different pages and posts, categories, and so on, whatever you want to create. And then, for example, I've created few data for a few pages for Anna's website already. So we will go through this later. But anyway, going back to here, the notes, let's move on to initial brainstorming. So I talked with Anna, and then we went kind of through a little bit how to organize the page, etc., organize the website. So they should have a home page, and it should inspire site visitors about her art gallery online, and artwork page which showcase different categories of her work, possibly similar to the current home page. And my story page or about page which has Anna's biography and personal story, etc. So visitors can get to know her and her story through her art. And Insights page, which is basically a blogs page, which will have a kind of snapshots, images of different blogs she writes and articles. And then once you click on one of these blog, you will go to the blog detail page. And then we will also have a shop page or section where user can purchase her beautiful art online easily, and potentially courses page where visitors can see and access her painting or drawing courses to tap into their own creativity. But we will focus on first on homepage, artwork page, about page, and Insights page. And then in the next step, we will move on to shop, courses page, and next trying to gradually extend the website. But we will also have a contact page, which will encourage visitors to contact Anna about her work. Okay, so this is kind of quick sketch we did for just idea of the above the fold of the homepage. So when the user comes to her new website, this is the area the users will see. So then we looked at typography, and so she likes clean typography. So we use this Nunito fonts, which is available from Google Fonts, and then we'll add some poem or something like that, and then we'll have a call to action button. Either it should be shop or enter or something like that. At first we won't have shop functionality, so maybe we just say enter, and then it will go down to the category section of the page. These are categories, so either we'll have it there with thoughts or on the side to go to, for example, this kind of category section. So we did this sketch, and then we moved on to this application is called Figma, and here we can kind of actually design some wireframe and so on, actual design of the website. So, but we want to keep it kind of simple. So I just started with a sitemap to structure the website. So this is kind of map of the website, what pages we have, etc. for the site. So we will have a home page, and also we will have an artwork page, which is categories of Anna's paintings. So the artwork page will have sub-pages of seascape, landscape, cityscape, figurative, etc. And then these will have images of her painting for that category. And then my story or about page, and this will have Anna's story. And then Insights page should have a sub-pages of blog posts. So Insights is basically blogs page, and gradually we will create shop functionality. So we'll need a shop page, courses page, and contact page. Yeah, so this is the just wireframe rough sketch of homepage. So we will have some image and big title and call to action and navigation bars, which is simplified compared with our existing website. And then maybe information about like introduction, greetings, and then hopefully we'll have some Anna's video talking about maybe herself or about her art, and then below we can have this kind of tabs for different categories, and then each tab will have a big image of a painting which is under this category, and then when you click on it, and it will move to the category detail page with, for example, landscape, and explaining something about the category, and then maybe some images, and this sliders with multiple images of. So this will be basically gallery for that category. Yeah, and then you could go back to the other categories, go to other categories from this link. So back to front home page. So you will have contact form, just like her existing website, and some information and the social media icons. Then maybe my story page will probably have a big image, her image about her, and then her stories with different images to captivate users' interest. And this is Insights page. Insights page should be basically blogs page, so it should contain some images of blog posts, and it should have some titles, small description, and then when you click on one of them, it should go to actual blog page, which should look like this page. Okay, so that is rough wireframe, and this is just actually for the home page. I've added some images to the wireframe, so it should kind of look like this, and then hopefully this will be a video, and then we want to show her art in actually full screen, so we want to show it like this. But we could maybe have a kind of different cars of images for different categories, but that like the current website. But we'll see. We might do that. But the benefit of this is to show her art right away in a big image. So yeah, we'll see. In terms of style of the website, I've actually spin up Next.js front-end website page to start with the style guide. So it has a typography, and it to show how it looks like. So jumbo text will look like this. Heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buttons outline style, buttons sizes, and then what input forms look like on that website. So just a very basic design style guide. So this would be quite useful, and I can modify as we go along. So we looked at some wireframes and our plan for the new website now. So in the next episode, I hope to start showing some progress on the homepage and other pages in the following episodes. So stay tuned.